Alright, you are welcome again. Let's take another question on remainder theorem. Now this question says, when 5x cubed plus as squared plus x minus b is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 3. Given that x minus 1 is also a factor, find a and b. Hello? Alright, this is a question we are asked to solve. They say the function 5x cubed plus as squared plus x minus b. You say when it is divided by x minus 2, it leaves a remainder 3. And then we discover that x minus 1 is also a factor of this function. Okay, now pay attention and then let's solve this. Alright, before we continue, please, if you have not subscribed, please do. Okay, subscription is free. And then don't forget to click on the bell icon to turn on the notification. Alright, now let's continue. We have two factors here. We have x minus 2 and then x minus 1. And then you discover that when our function is being divided by x minus 2, it leaves a remainder 3. And then when our function is being divided by x minus 1, it leaves a remainder what? 0. Now let's go. Let's pick the first factor, x minus 2. Let's equate it to 0. I want to have x minus 2 is equal to 0. Make x the subject. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now we're going to have p of 2 is equal to 3. All right. Now we have p of 2. So in our function, wherever we see x, we're going to replace it with what? 2. So we're going to have p of 2 is equal to 5, open bracket 2 raised to the power 3 plus a, open bracket 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 minus b is equal to 3. Okay, 2 raised to the power 3 will give us 8. Okay, plus a, open bracket 2 raised to the power 2 will give us 4 plus 2 minus b. So we have 5 times 8 will give us 40 plus 8 times 4 will give us 4a plus 2 minus b is equal to 3. So we will have 40 plus 2, it will give us 42 minus b is equal to 3. So we are having 40 minus b is equal to 3. Let's take 40 to the other side to be minus 42. Okay, let's take the 42 to the other side. So we are going to have 4a minus b is equal to 3 minus 42. So 3 minus 42 will give us minus 39. So we are having 4a minus b is equal to minus 39. Let's call this equation 1. Okay. Now let's go. Let's be the second factor. X minus 1 is, let's equate it to 0. We're going to have x minus 1 is equal to 0. Make x the subject. We're going to have x is equal to 1. All right, let's go. We have p of 1 is equal to, our remainder is what? 0. So we're going to have p of 1 is equal to 5, open bracket 1 raised to the power 3 plus a, open bracket 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1 minus b is equal to 0. Now we have 1 raised to the power 3 will give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5 plus 1 times a raised to the power 2 will give us a plus 1 minus b is equal to 0. So finally we are having a minus b is equal to minus 6. Okay. So because we have 5 plus 1 will give us what? 6. We take it to the other side to be minus 6. So we are having a minus b is equal to minus 6. So let's call this equation 2. So we are having two equations here. All right. In the first one we have 4a minus b is equal to minus 39. And then the second equation, a minus b is equal to minus 6. So these two equations we can solve this is simultaneous linear equation. Now let's solve this by eliminating one term. Okay, now in this term we can easily eliminate b. Okay, so we're going to say equation 1 minus equation 2. So b will be eliminated. All right, equation 1 minus equation 2, b will be eliminated. Now let's go. We're going to have 4a minus a will give us 3a. Hello. Alright. 4a minus a will give us 3a. And then minus b minus b. We are going to have minus b minus will give us plus. So we have minus b plus b, which will give us 0. So we have is equal to minus 39 minus 6. So minus we change to plus. So we have minus 39 plus 6. It will give us minus 33. So we have 3a is equal to minus 33. Let's divide both sides by 3. We are looking for a. So we're going to have a is equal to minus 11. All right? Yes. Okay, we have gotten a value for a, which is minus 11. All right, let's pick one equation from our equations and then solve for b. All right, now let's pick equation. Okay, let's pick 1. Now let's go. We have equation 1 for a minus b is equal to minus 39. But you remember we've just gotten a value for a. And the value for a is minus 11. So we're going to replace a with what? Minus 11. So in this equation, we're going to have 4, open bracket, minus 11 minus b is equal to minus 39. So we're going to have 4 times minus 11 will give us minus 44. Minus b is equal to minus 39. So we have minus b is equal to minus 39. Let's take our minus 44 to the other side. So we're going to turn to plus 44. So we have minus b is equal to minus 39 plus 44. So we have minus b is equal to minus 39 plus 44 will give us 5. Hello? Yeah, that means we're having minus b is equal to 5. So our b can never be negative. So let's divide both sides by minus 1. So in so doing, we're going to have b is equal to minus 5. Yes. Alright, our value for a is equal to minus 11. Our value for b is equal to minus 5. Yes, thank you very much. Please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please do. And then turn on the notification, click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new video. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time.